Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of Rave Nailz press-on nails. So this is the package here, and I try to do like a slight ASMR of me opening it, so let's listen in right now.
It's some superhuman strength to do this. Okay, this is packaged real tight and nice. So yeah. So now the package is open and we can see what's going on in this. So I'm just going to take everything out. And these are this is what I ordered. I just want to make sure. So yeah.
These right here are the two sets of nails I selected, some butterfly nails and some smiley face nails. So I was just making sure I had everything in the package, and there was this cute sticker. So now we're going to go in and look at the instructions that came with these nails.
In my mail, I actually have some instructions on how to apply my Rave Nailz. So I will be following these instructions from step 1, and I believe these are the same instructions in the back of here. So and they said to tag them, so we'll be doing that. Follow the instructions here to choose the sizes, and we'll move on.
So I decided to go with the yellow smiley nails because they looked so cute and really fun. And I'm just here opening the package. I seem to have like a thing with opening packages with tools that I shouldn't be using. But yeah, do not try this at home. I'm using a cuticle pusher to open this package. No, just don't do it. Anywho's, if you're new here, my name is Shimeen, and on this channel I do everything nails and nails related, including trying other press-on artists' press-on nails. If you know me, you would know I also have a small business called 123 Press on Instagram, where I sell press-on nails locally here to persons, right? So having or getting to try someone else's press-on nails was so convenient for me because I didn't have to make it, and it was a completely different design. So I found that was so cool. Anyway, this package comes with everything you need to apply. You have nail glue, and you have a file, and you have the 24 nails in there. And then I was just opening the package, checking everything out, and this instruction card to me was one of the best things. So at this point, you could feel free to pause the video and read through the instructions. As I was here, I was just reading it through to make sure that, I obviously have a fair idea of how to apply press-on nails, but for the sake of this video, I wanted to follow the instructions that came with these nails, and it was so fun to do. I really like step 4 for extended wear, especially because I learned something new. By not brushing off the extra dust after filing, it would give the glue extra hold on the nail. So I really appreciated that. Okay, now that we finished with this, let's go to the camera in real time to see me opening the nails.
Let's open this up. Oh, okay, so this is how it opens. So we just have this in the back here. Remove this, and it's simple as that. You have access to the nails. Very, very cool. Okay, and then ooh, nice. This is nice. Choose your sizes. So these nails are really awesome. Ooh, Olia, look at this already. Loving it. Look at this. Okay, so they are pretty short, which means I should probably be able to handle them. Alright. Let me pick my sizes. What size is this? Is that size 3? I mean, yeah, looking kind of small. You know what I'm going to do? I just train out all. Yeah. Just train out all, and it was so true. These are 20. How much pieces? Hold on, let me check my box. I want to read the box properly. And I don't put that away. Does it say how much? 24 nails with a Z. Nice touch. 24 nails with a Z, nail glue, nail file. And I'm just following the instructions here directly, right?
So the first thing we're going to do is get out all of our sizes.
Size 2 is.
When you're selecting your sizes, you want to make sure that they fit from sidewall to sidewall. Now, if the nail is too big and then the other size that is smaller than it is too small, then you could take the bigger nail and file around the edges to fit your fingers. Alright, so it's really convenient, and the instructions say exactly that on the card as well. So once you follow the instructions, you'll be fine. These nails are pretty short. To me, like, they come off as short almond or short stiletto. And they're really convenient, especially because they are short. It is manageable for almost anybody to function with. Now you can wear longer nails as well, but if you're not accustomed to wearing long nails, I definitely suggest you start off with short nail first and work your way up to longer nails, and then you'll be fine. So we're just getting out the nails here that I'm going to be applying. I am only doing one hand today for this video. So we're just getting out the ones we're going to be using, and I have my file and glue in hand ready to apply these nails. So as I said, we're going to be following these instructions. So I have the instruction card there, and we're going to get started. So basically I've already completed step 1 and 2 by selecting the nails, and well, I didn't file any edges. I don't know why, and you will see why I should have later on. But step 3 now is to after my hands clean, it's to swab my nail beds with acetone. So that's what I was doing here, and then I was just like trying to fan it for it to dry. And now we're going on to step 4. We're going to use the nail file to gently buff the surface of my natural nails. And then the most important part is after this, not to brush off the dust. So we're going to buff all 5 of the nails first, and then we're going to apply with the glue afterwards. Interestingly, this set did not come with a cuticle pusher, which I include in my sets, but I realize it's really not necessary unless you really want to include it. Some persons have a lot of cuticle that needs to be pushed back, but in this case I didn't have a lot, so the file was just fine for me. So now that we finished buffing the nails, we're going to do step 5, which is to apply the nails. Sorry, I did mention that it was all 5 nails, but I did nail number 5 as a TikTok video, so you will see that one on my TikTok and my Instagram reels, okay? So yeah, we're making sure now to open up that glue. We just use our scissors to cut the tip and get that glue open, and I just use this dapping dish to put the glue in to make sure that, you know, it doesn't go anywhere. So what it said to do is to apply the glue onto the surface of your nail itself, just enough, how much you think you need to cover the surface of the nail. Now the thing is here, you don't want to put too much glue and you don't want to put too little bit of glue. So just the right amount, and while it's still wet, as they say, working quickly, and you apply that nail from the cuticle and you press it down, hold it for 10 seconds or thereabout, and you know, make sure it's firmly in place till that glue dries up. And you see how simple that was? I literally have my nails done, like, and now I just have to do this 4 more times for the entire set. So I was just testing it out, and it was really sturdy when I was testing it out, and you will hear me talk about that a lot in the rest of this video. So let's now try to apply the rest of the nails, and then I'll check back in for the finished look. So definitely feel free to check out ravenailz.com. She sells press-on nails, and you know, you don't have to get these particular styles. There are more, like, there are a variety of press-on nail designs on that website. You know, if you're looking for something quick and convenient like how I am doing right now. Of course, I can't finish apply my nails much faster than this, but because I'm making a nice YouTube video for you all, giving you details, you know, it takes this long. But in real time, this actually takes like 10 minutes or 5 minutes, you know, once you do good prep and you're working quickly. If you notice here on the index finger, I applied a little bit too much glue, and I had to use acetone on the sides to clean it up. Do not use alcohol to clean up when glue is spilled, because you end up getting like this white look on the nails. So yeah, this is part of the video I was filming for TikTok, and I still kept my camera recording, so it did get a little bit of it, so that's cool. I actually have a phone on the other side recording as well, so you will that's what you see on my short form content. So yeah, this is after applying the thumbnail, and the extra dust is still there, so we're just going to brush that off. And you know, that's basically it. Like, look how easy that was. This is my cuticle oil, my tea tree cuticle oil. I'm just going to apply that around the cuticle area and rub it in. Yeah, that's what we do. We rub it in, rub, and look at that, instant manicure. That is amazing. Now the thing is, I wasn't really feeling the shape of these. This is not typical of me, so I just took the 180 grit side of my nail file and I just tried to round around the tips so it could look more almond, and it made the nails look more natural. So you'll see that once I was finished with this, I will clean up the nails again. I will spray some alcohol on the nails just to make it look nice, make sure my hands are clean. And for this particular set, I decided, since I was going to wear it for a longer time, I was going to film for a few extra days to see how the nails held up for the time period that I was wearing them for. So stay tuned as I show you what I was up to for the time period that I was wearing these nails and what was happening on my island of Tobago. So this is the finished look on the outside, but stay tuned, there's more to come.
She mean I couldn't lose.
First floor.
This is my first day. Well, at work with the nails, I just got like a spring roll. So I'll be having that. I mean, start to show the nails off, right? So I'll be having that, and then I have some work to do. So I'm gonna try to get it done. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Day 3 of these press-on nails, and they're holding up really nice. They're very sturdy, and you know, nothing can drop off yet. I'm about to upload a video to my YouTube, not this one. I have another video that I'm uploading right now, so I'm about to do that, and then I'm gonna get ready to go out. All right, but yeah, so far so good. I love these. They're so cute. I find nails look.
Not bad, innit? Well, not bad.
You like them nails?
Yeah, right now I feel into the my nails and all.
How you find this look? No, this style.
Looking hot.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yellow.
Looking emoji.
Yeah.
Fancy.
That we're talking about. Octa! On the pot.
Not for long.
Not for long?
Not for long.
Man, now I find them nails here, look. Oh, they look cool. I like them. Smiley faces. Yeah. So it's stuck in traffic, so I just, you know, wanted to get people's opinion on these press-on nails. So all in all, I have been wearing these nails for about 10 days now, and you know, I will probably take them off when they reach 2 weeks so that I can get another set on, because I actually have 2 press-on sets from Rave Nailz to try. So we'll see what I do next, but these held up really well. There is no lifting on these nails, and they are very sturdy. I'm literally applying pressure to them and nothing. That all came in the prep, and the instructions were pretty simple. With this one was more of a user error, because I did use a nail that was too big for the thumb finger, so it lifted and eventually broke, but that one was my fault. So this is Shameen checking back in. I hope you all enjoyed watching my unboxing and review of wearing Rave Nailz press-on nails. Really convenient. As I said, it was really easy to apply, and you know, it's good going forward. But unfortunately, the time has come to part with these nails, mostly because I create nail video content, so you know, I need to change my nails to do another video. So you know, feel free to subscribe to this channel, like this video if you would like to see more nail videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.